Programmer Al, and in this video I am going to walk through the Edabit Python challenge called SQL Count function. And basically what the count function does is just count how many times certain criteria are met from like a column or just in the table in general. And in this challenge they want us to fill in the query in the code tab to count the total visitors from the name column having bill greater than 10,000 and number of visits less than 15 from the table customers. And the author of this challenge did a really great job of providing an example. So this one isn't too complicated because we can use this example as a base for how to design the query or write the query. So inside here, I'm just going to choose not to tab this time. You could tab. I just feel like it's just easier not to tab this time, but I'm going to write select count and then the column name. So select count and the column name is name from, and customers is the name of the table, where bill is greater than 10,000 and visits is less than 15, and that should satisfy all of the conditions they want us to meet. So where the bill is greater than 10,000 and the visits is less than 15, and the answer we should get is that there's 3 tables or 3 columns. Well, not 3 columns, that doesn't make sense. There's 3 times that both of these conditions are met within the table. So let's submit and check the code and see if that is correct. Did I type it in the right way? And I did. And that is how you walk through the SQL Count function challenge.